Hey everyone, I'm Kamika Okechukwu, aka the Wealth Gap Closer. I'm your favorite Illinois realtor and short-term housing operator, and today I'm here to talk to you about what I'm so excited about right now, my latest project, the Daily Dose of Direction for Women in Business Volume 2, presented by Melanie Bonita. Let me just tell you really briefly, this book collaboration, everyone, is the culmination of teamwork from over 40 phenomenal women seeking to encourage, inspire, and uplift other women in business, just like you. We hope that you can leverage some key takeaways from our journey to make yours a little smoother. Join us tomorrow as we launch our book at 11 a.m. Central on Clubhouse and 7 p.m. Central on YouTube and Facebook. The links to join the virtual book launch and to purchase your book online is www.thewealthgapcloser.com. Get your pre-orders in now. Again, it's www.thewealthgapcloser.com. We will be releasing our book tomorrow on Women's International Day. I'm so honored. So, happy Women's History Month, and we look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Be well.